Did you tell? What did you tell him? Did you say no? I don't think so. Uh-huh. Yeah. Right. When you hold your hands like that, what does it mean? Okay. Yeah. I was just gonna say the same. Just in a little bit of a different verbiage. Yeah. Just a little bit of a different verbiage. What else? Is that it? Okay. That about says it now. Yeah. Uh-huh. What else you got? You sound like you're kind of telling me off. What does it mean when your hands are folded like that? You gonna fold them back? Give Mom a big smile. Give Mom a big smile. Oh, you getting sleepy?